Because you come to the home page so often in your course, it is one of the most important. The home page includes 3 screens: the courses that you see here, the to-do list, and the activity stream. In the courses, you can access help, you can view your announcements, or you can order your courses. If you use courses more often than others, you can move them up, or you can move them down in order. When you're done, click Save. You can also customize your settings, your theme, change your password, enroll in a course, or log in or out of your Google Drive. On the course cards, you will see the course, the date you're enrolled, your scores, and your progress. At any point, you can click on the activities or grades for that particular course. If you want to enter a course, you can either click on the activities icon or simply click on the course itself. Let's look at the to-do list. The to-do list includes upcoming and past due activities. By default, they will be within the last 7 days, or this could be customized by your school. To open them, you simply click on the link. It will take you directly into that specific course, the module, and the assignments that it's located. Next is the activity stream. This reviews your recent activity, starting from the most recent, and you can click on the post to open the activity, the badge, or the announcement listed. You'll see your scores or any feedback from your teacher. You can also filter by the courses that you are taking. Remember, at any point, if you have a question, you can click on the Help button here or in your menu at the bottom of your courses.